Hi everyone, welcome back to Login Page. In today's video, I'll be walking you through the steps to log into your Medica Provider Portal account. The Medica Provider Portal is an essential tool for healthcare providers to access patient eligibility, submit and track claims, and manage important account information. If you're ready to get started, let's go through the login process step by step. Before we begin, please support us by subscribing to our channel. Thank you. First, open your browser and enter partner.medica.com/providers/electronic-transactions into the address bar to access the website. I added this website link in the description field. You can click from there. In the website that opens, type your username here. Type your password here and click on the Login button. If you don't remember your password, click here. And that's it. Logging into your Medica Provider Portal is that simple. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, feel free to leave a comment below or reach out to Medica Support for assistance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Login Page for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.